W.E.B. Files. Book by William Baxter. W.E.B. Files is for children and adults. There are two editions. The first edition is a two-booklet series which contains the author's online articles and some computer art. The second edition is the deluxe edition, which contains all of the online articles in both volumes of the two-booklet series but no computer art. This is booklet 1 of the two-booklet edition, which contains self-advocacy diaries, speeches he has given in Toastmasters International over the years, Cajun recipes he has written, and cookbook computer art he has created.